I'm going to be installing this Suzuki Ltz400 rear shock for the Blaster using the HPM Powersports bushing kit that converts like I think like this and like the 400 EX shock into something that you can use with the Blaster. Here's the kit that they sent here, and the new shock and the old one. So yeah, this is gonna be just a quick video, before and after comparison, initial thoughts, and probably like a little quick time lapse. Alright, I thought I'll tell you guys like a little tip or whatever. I just have like a drill, and you need a 12mm drill bit to drill into it. I had one on hand, but it was too big to fit the shank of the drill. So what I did was I went on Amazon and brought a 12mm drill bit, but with a reduced shank. What we're going to be doing here is just drilling the lower of the suspension set will fit the pen through it. Okay, this is going to be my very first and fresh impressions of the Ltz400 shock and the Yamaha Blaster, I literally rode like maybe 100 yards onto the trail. So I haven't done any riding yet, so this is gonna be my very first impressions. I'm excited to see what happens. With the Yamaha Blaster stock shock, you just kind of know like where its limits are. Like when you're on a stock shock, you kind of know what it is. It's not great, but it's something. It's I wouldn't say it's stiff. It's pretty plush stock suspension. But when you're riding on it, you just kind of know where your limits are and what you can do with it. So I'm hoping that this is a pretty good improvement over that. So. Wow, that was crazy. Like, I'm pretty fucking amazed. Like, over that little whoopee section right there, I feel like the stock Yamaha Blaster shock, it would, like, compress and take it, but I feel like at the end of the stroke on the stock shock, it would kind of, like, I don't know, like kind of, like, bounce you back, or, like, be, like, very stiff at, like, the end of the stroke. But like on that section right there at the speed I was doing, the Ltz shock just fucking, oh, I just fucking stalled. But the fucking Ltz shock just like, it just took it fine, and it felt like I could even attack it harder than what I was doing, and it would be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that section again. It's a fucking night and day difference. Like I don't even know how to really put this into words, because like I guess it feels like it kind of just like floats over the bumps. Like if I was in a stock shock there, I would just kind of like be all over the place when when the suspension compressed before the next whoop. But on the Ltz shock, it just kind of kept me like in a straight line and absorbed the bumps. It was great. Wow, that is really something, man. I wasn't really too sure how good the upgrade was going to be, but holy fuck. That's super fucking impressive. This actually feels capable now. stock Yamaha suspension, you couldn't just hold her wide open and just let her eat over that. It would just, you would like get like fucked off. Like, this is crazy. This upgrade's definitely fucking worth it. I would. Shit. I can't wait till I get some front fucking shocks on there, because this is awesome. Like, holy smokes. I feel so much more, like, confident and in control in certain situations that, man, this thing's fucking awesome. I feel like I'm, like, not like losing control when I'm like over whoops and shit. Like, it feels great.